Morning, Simon here from Perfect Pools. We are busy with another pool. In the heart of Bothasig, we are dealing with this one, and as you can see, the guys has already started with the sanding. Let's go inside and see what's happening here. I think this is a Fibreglass shell, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, no, this is a Fibreglass shell. I'm going to swap the camera so you can see how far this one has already been eaten away or deteriorated over the years, gel coating and things like that. They've roughened it up already. And then the jets here, that needs to be looked at as well, and all these things. And then obviously the skimmer box, we're going to seal that up as well. And then that is about it. Seal it underneath here quite nicely. But the main thing was here, you can see how this pool, I think it has been coated here before, I think. So if I can look at it like that, there is some spots here where there's Fibreglass coming in loose, and then roughen it up as well. Yeah, this was done, but as you can see it, they actually just did a gel coat over the previous mold. But yeah, that's it. A few spots here that is coming loose. Okay, but that's it for now. I'm going to keep you updated. It's not going to take too long, and then we'll be done with this one. But let's take a nice before photo, and then we'll be able to show you. Okay, until next time, see you, bye. How's it, Simon here again, and we are back at the property in Bothasig. Just check it out. Guys are busy with setting up the mosaics and prepping to do all the finishing. Sorry guys. And the pool has been relined, all patches have been fixed, nicely sorted out. Let's check and see what he's doing here. Okay, then obviously we're gonna just do top coat over that to seal it off nicely. So you can still see there's some imperfections here that we will then obviously do when we do the final touch-up. But fairly simple, straightforward job. Oh, sorry. But from behind there. Okay, next time you see me, this pool will be done and full of water, and then I can show you the final product. Remember to get us on our social media pages, Perfect Pools, on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and everywhere else. Till next time, bye. Hi, Simon here from Perfect Pools. We're done with the pool, all sorted and ready to be handed over. We need to just put this on. Unfortunately, we can't, because as you can see there, it's a temporary line that is still on the pool, and we need to get that sorted. But here's some close-ups on what we've done. Pool was a Fibreglass shell that we just had to redo, make it look new again. In fact, as you can remember, there were some broken areas and delaminated areas. We also included some new jets and everything like that. But all in all, job done. Customer super happy. In fact, they actually stepped out quickly to go and pick up some stuff at our warehouse. That is it. Until next time, I hope you give us a shout when you need the pool to be done. And remember, all our social media platforms, TikTok, Facebook, and then all the others. Just click there, YouTube. Until next time, bye.